This is Jim Emter, Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for July 16th, 2020. Corn market up 4, beans up 7 1/4, Chicago wheat down 15 1/2, Minneapolis wheat down 12 1/2, and Kansas City down 10 3/4. For the wheat market, a little bit of give back today. Some of the bull news around are concerns over Russia and Europe crop. Also some fun buying we anticipate, but at the end of the day, one day of big rally resulted in another day of give back, and the back and forth action for the wheat market continues. Corn and beans put together a solid market today. Export sales continue to be strong. We saw another private sale here today, a pretty good size out of the soybean complex. One batch over 500,000 metric tons to China, and another one over 300,000 metric tons to unknown destinations. So you combine those together, some good sales that continue to work in between corn and beans. And if we can continue to see that momentum, we may turn pessimistic traders into optimists here if we can get that build base. But we still got resistance counts here. We still got good looking crops coming. We've got rains in the east, but in today's model runs, it got a little warmer and drier for the 6 to 10 and 8 to 14 day, and that's building a little bit of strength back into these markets. Feeder cattle up 317 1/2, live cattle up 197 1/2, hog market up 350. So the buying interest was present in the meats as well. Very encouraging to see this cattle market break out, and now we got to see what we can do. We are going to uptick marketing percentages along the way. We're really into the first price count for feeder cattle, into a key resistance point for the live cattle, but not even quite at the first price counts yet. But as we get up in here against these first and second counts in feeders, we feel we've got to be increasing percentages. Same thing in cattle as we approach this and potentially get above this 200-day moving average around 110 December. If we can get to 113, that's the first price count in between that range. We'd like to look at upticking percentages as well. Overall, though, cash undertone's a little firmer, and that's allowing this market to lift to some degree. Good export sales also a major feature this morning for the cattle and hogs. This has been Jim Emter, Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Traded in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.